I have a 2004 Chevrolet Tahoe 4-wheel drive. I've been attempting to remove the front wheel hub assemblies the past 4 days, and it has been fused to the rest of the frame. I've tried a wheel hub assembly removal kit with the slide hammer. The only thing that is accomplished is popping out the wheel bearings. So while it is really cold and windy, I thought of a great idea to remove it. So I've gone on the inside and I have inserted the two bottom bolts just a little bit so they're still out just enough so that I can hammer them. And slowly but surely there's a gap forming. I've as well been using a great deal of PB Blaster or PB penetrating catalyst, which is working great so far. So just go back and forth and hammer the two bottom bolts back and forth and just keep working on it. I'll post another video in a little bit to show you the end result.